Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of Adonis template user guide. This is what we had in last part, and we are going to continue our work on this template. So let's take a look at our demo set. This is what we have. We build this slider, we have some of these options here, and in part 2 we defined page types and layouts. So let's take a look. Okay, here we have some icon box, and I'm going to show you how we can build this things. First of all, I need to install the plugin. The plugin is a shortcut generator for this template. And so here we are, Adonis package features. This time we need a plugin. So plugin, copy, and this is the public HTML, and share it on this plugin here. Just paste it here and extract it. Let's put it right here. We do not need these. Okay, one more step. There's some settings you have to set on your editor for detecting this plugin. If you were watching the part 1, we had a Pirates CMS ready package on my local host, the demo, Adonis demo, and in this part I'm going to use this for some of the code and something like this. Okay, here in settings, and don't worry about these, you'll find them right below this video in our online documentation, so don't worry about it. Just copy these codes and let's take a look at that. Right here and paste. That's it. I just install a plugin. So let's see if it works or not. And content, pages, home page. Yep. Right here we have this menu for our plugin shortcut generator. This is useful. If you're gonna use this shortcut, you don't need to enter them. You just come here and click on one of these, and you will have the code generator. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this to create some icon box. Icon box. Yep. Here we are. Adonis icon box title, class, and description. Description is this text. Title is obvious, and the class is icon class. Which one of these icons you want to use here, and you can find the full list right here, and icons. This is what I'm talking about. So let's create one of these. Just grab some text and put it right here. But when you're working with this plugin, I recommend you to use the HTML editor, not this advanced editor. Just use the source. Okay, now replace this. Description, class, the default class, and the title. Easy customization. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's see what we have. once again my home page. Okay, now I have an icon box with a title, with a text description, and an icon. This is linkable, so you can come here and define the link which you want to click on it, if you have one, of course. But this one is what? What if you want to restrict it or contain it or have multiple of these? I recommend you to read the Bootstrap scaffolding. You can find right in Bootstrap documentation. Yep, and this is what I'm talking about. These are a live grid example. Excuse me, and how we can use them, how we can create whatever we want. So just take a look at this, and here we are going to use them. Okay, this is what gives me an icon box. So I want to contain it into an span3 container. Okay, now you need to add some other offline, and that's it. Okay, now just let's copy this and create multiple one of these icon box, and this is what we have here. Yep, happy. And you can change the class of icon. Just pick one of these and replace the default icon. This class icon. Okay, let's give it an example. Circle on the first one I changed. Okay, you can see this right here. That's it, we have nothing more here. So let's take one more step. Widgets. This is an image carousel which we used in this template, and it's a widget for PMaker, the slider engine. You can create this with this widget. So how you can use it? With installing PMaker, you have both these widgets, camera slider and this image carousel widget, which you can use. Just find it in your widgets list right here, image carousel widget for PMaker module. And for using this, you don't need anything special. Just create a new widget area, just like a slider, and create your it's a slider because you're creating with PMaker, but it's not. It's actually image carousel. So let's take a look. Okay, we need to add a new area, and again using already packaged. Thank you. I want to know what was the slug of this area right here, carousel. I need to create a new one. Set PMaker now. Create a new slide. Image carousel. And no jQuery, not. So image carousel manages slides. And okay, we don't have any image right now. So I'm going to go and upload some right here files, create a new folder, and just upload these images. Okay, these are our uploaded images. So let's go for PMake. Once again, image carousel, and just right here we have the list of images. We just upload. We can just grab some of these and that's right. Finally, one more. Okay, and you can edit this and add your caption, your title, whatever. It's not here. I'm not going to do this. Okay, that's it. So let's make widgets happen. We have just recently created a new widget area called carousel, so I'm gonna put this one right here and give it a tag, something like image gallery, split, and choose it. Okay, let's give it a try. Now we have this area, but in our template, it's not like a slider, because in the slider we had a fixed position right here for adding your sliders, not here, just below the header. But in carousel we don't have anything. So if I just go ahead and view my website, there's nothing here. Because there is no area included theme. You have to include it yourself in your pages, in your home page, whatever you want to use. Just include an instance of this widget in your pages. So how we can do this? Yeah. Once again, thanks to our Pyrosim's ready package, you came here and see just what we have done. Right here I have widgets area slot carousel. So I'm just copy and paste it right here in my home page. That's it. That's the way you can add a widget to your pages without having the area in your template. We have done this because it's not a fixed position. It's just in the demo. I did this. I put this in here, but you may want it in your bottom of page, in I don't know whatever. You may want it someplace else. But the slider is something standard. The slider is always at the top of page, and it's kind of standard, but not this image carousel. So that's the reason we have to do this. Once again, the source. I really don't like this editor. I prefer the previous versions, but this is what we have. So just once more, upload. This time I want to put this widget area. I don't have anything in my copies. Once again. ridiculous. What? Okay, thank you. And yes, there's, if you wanna have this kind of space right here, you will see we have a margin bottom. You can do this by adding a class of margin to your elements. Margin to this element means you will have a standard margin bottom to this element for this element, and let's just save it. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Yep, right here we have an image carousel, a nice one. If the computer allow me, right here. But there is something wrong. Yes, we do not have this navigation. So why? Oh yeah, I figured it. I figured it out. Excuse me, guys. It's actually 4 a.m. So take it easy on me. This is because we don't have enough items here. There's no navigation. It's not necessary. So if you just go ahead and add some more pictures right here, you will have this. So pmaker once again, and image carousel. Let's add some more. Okay, that's enough now. Once again, and be the brother. Yep, this is what I'm talking about. Now we can navigate. Okay, very good. This is the image carousel we have here, and our homepage has this main content area. We'll talk about this in the next part. Here I'm going to show you how we can put photo widgets, and how we can use them. There are two widgets here and one HTML. This is a recent Flickr photos, and this is a recent tweets. Both of them are available in downloaded package, and you just need to go ahead and grab them and install them in your website. So once again, and this one, package, features, widgets. Yep, these are those widgets. So go ahead and install them in your add-ons, shared add-ons, widgets. And also you can do this with uploading directly, but I do this in this way. Extract here, okay. So let's take a look. No, this one is already packaged. Right here, Flickr photo, Twitter feed. Display recent Flickr photos on your website. And of course we will need some areas here, and just go ahead and create them. So Add area, name it footer col1, and don't forget about this short name must have this dash. Footer col1 and once again footer col2. And one more footer col3. This is footer col1, 2, and 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Content widgets. For about Adonis, this is HTML widget. It's nothing special, and just an input form and some text. So I'm just going and grab the codes and put them in my widget. HTML widget on footer col1. This is PyroSims ready package, which we installed in first parts. These are the codes that I'm talking about, and you will find them in online documentation either. And HTML block right here. Give it a title about and display widget title, yes, thank you. Okay, that's for our HTML widget, and now Flickr photo. Flickr photo on col2. Title photo string. Display it, yes, and give it your Flickr ID. 8. These are 8 number of photos I want. 8 recently photos. Just save it and tweet it. Title username. Let's go ahead and use parsings. 2. Okay, that's it. Let's my website and refresh. Yes, we have 3 different widgets in our foot. And these one are this is HTML. You have to edit social icons in your HTML partials, and also this text. It's not a widget or nothing. It's just pure HTML located in. Let me see. When you open Adonis, views folder, and then partials, and then footer. Footer, you will find this. So, okay, we have something here. This is user menu. Let's just add some menu to this user menu, and we're done for this part. Structure and navigation. Create a new group. Call it user menu. And add some link to this user. My Save. And one more. Okay. Yeah, you can have as many as link you want here, of course. So just this one. Okay, let's see what this one have here. This is what I'm talking about. User menu, my profile, logout, my panel, admin panel, whatever you want to have in your user menu. You can just go and log out from here, and then you will have a registration and login button here. And yes, this is it. Thank you guys for watching this. This is part 3, and we're close to having a website with these features. In the next part, I'm going to discuss about blog widgets, blog sidebar widgets, posts, and custom fields. And so hang on with me. See you guys.